all doing well? Welcome back again. This is Chef Manish here. Today I'm going to show you guys one of the recipe which we called it Rogan Josh. So this one is lamb Rogan Josh. I've got a few other recipes featured in here. That's the tandoori chicken was featured also, and one of the recipe over here, that's the grilled shrimp recipe. And in this one I've got here another recipe featured. I just need to have a look. Where is it? So it's over here, and this one I'm a bit tiny bit. This one I've got chicken biryani recipe featured over here. So those recipes was award winning. So I'm gonna share with you guys one of them. As I said, that's lamb recipe. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cook that recipe over here in this slow cooker, and it's really delicious one, trust me. And so let's start now. I've got lamb shanks here, and this I'm gonna put it on the side, and those are the things gonna go in there. Couple of onions, garlic, ginger, chilies, and tomatoes, and yogurt in there also. A few whole spices gonna go there, and some powder forms also. So first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sear those lamb shanks first into a pan, and then we're gonna make a base for the sauce. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna saute our onion, garlic, and we're gonna add tomatoes in there, or yogurt and spices and stuff. And then we're gonna blend it through, and we're gonna put those shanks into our slow cooker, and then leave it for 4 to 5 hours. So it should be ready in 4 to 5 hours. So let's start searing our lamb first. The pan looks nice and hot. I'm gonna add some olive oil in there. You guys can use canola oil if you want. So the pan is nice and hot. You can see the smokes coming out. We just place our shanks down here. So don't move them until they have one side. So as you can see, they're nicely seared up now from the other side also. It's time to transfer them into a bowl. Take it off from here. And we're gonna add some more oil in there to saute our onions in there. A bit more oil. Onion's gonna go in there first. We're just gonna go caramelize onion first. To fast the process of caramelization, we're gonna add some salt in there. Alright, as you guys can see, they're nice and golden brown now. So we're gonna add our garlic in there. Roughly chopped garlic and roughly chopped ginger. 3 to 4 green chilies. So we're gonna saute them also, get nice color in there as well. So if you see at this stage onions are getting a bit overcooked, we can always add some water in there, and that's gonna stop getting overcooked onion. And at this stage we're gonna add some cumin seeds in there and some corriander seeds. Okay, let them cook also with the onion. beautiful color in there, you can see. So while this is cooking, we can make our yogurt and spice mix, which we're gonna add next. Alright, we got bowl here. We're gonna need about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. About 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. About 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. We're gonna add some garam masala now, and then we're gonna add some garam masala after the shanks cook. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. That's the hot one. And about 3 teaspoons of sweet paprika. So we're gonna give this a good mix, and then we're gonna add it into our onions. Can add some water in there. Mix it through nicely. So this is a really easy and simple dish. You can make it anytime. Before you're going to work, just put in a slow cooker, and when you're back from your work, and it's all good to go. So that's the consistency you want. You don't want too runny. Nice. So now we're gonna add this one into our onions. You can see a nice golden brown color. Cook this maybe 4 to 5 minutes. When you see yogurt's nicely cooked through, and the spices all cooked through also as well with it. Then we're gonna add our tomatoes. I'm using 10 tomatoes here. Those are whole filled thin tomatoes, or you can use fresh tomatoes also if you got fresh tomatoes. So as you can see, our yogurt almost disappeared now, and our spices nicely cooked through as well. So we're gonna put our tomatoes now. So about 4 tomatoes you can see, and some puree from the tin. So just cross it through. So we're gonna make a fine paste out of it, and then we're gonna add it into our shanks and leave it for cooking 5 to 6 hours on low setting. When you see tomatoes are nice and soft enough, then we're gonna blend it through. So while this one is cooking, I'm gonna show you guys what the spices I'm using here, holy spices, to get flavor in there. So those are the holy spices I'm gonna use it. I'm using muslin cloth. I don't want those spices to come in my mouth while I'm having my food. So 1 bay leaf, gonna go in there, just crush it. Small piece of cinnamon. That's the Mace flour. So you're gonna put it in there. 4 cardamom, green cardamom. 1 small piece of black cardamom. We're gonna just crush it through and take the seeds out of it. Get more flavor out of it. And few peppercorns gonna go in there as well. That's the fennel seeds gonna go in there as well. So that's all the spices I'm gonna use in here. I make a small bottle. Just make sure you tie it up enough so it won't lose any into the gravy, you know. And easy to take it out when it's ready. That's it. That's a nice tiny bottle gonna go in there. So as you can see, tomatoes are nicely soft enough. Put this one into a blender and turn it into a nice smooth paste. And then we're gonna transfer all this into a slow cooker. Now we're gonna transfer this into the jar here. Just be careful, this one is a bit hot, so if you have time you can wait until it's cooled down, otherwise just put this and that way, otherwise just put this one a bit loose from the top so air can go out, otherwise it's just gonna blow on your face. You can see it's nice and smooth now. So that's how we want it. So that's our gravy base. We're gonna add it into our slow cooking pot. So here I've got my slow cooker set on high heat first. So I'm gonna keep it on high heat for 1 hour. Then gonna turn it down on low heat, or you can do it on auto if you're not at home. If you're away, you can put it on auto and just leave it. It will manage the temperature by itself. So I'm gonna put it our shanks over here. Now I'm gonna add gravy mix in here. Clean our jar and put all the water from there. So about 1.5 cup of water we're gonna add in there just to clean our jar in there. So that's all good to go, and then we're gonna add our that whole spice bottle in there. So it's gonna go sit into the sauce to just get flavor out of it. And that's it. We're gonna put the lid on for an hour on high heat, and then we're gonna reduce it into low heat and then cook it for 4 to 5 hours or 6 hours. Hey guys, I'm back from my work, and my Shanks been cooking on slow cook. So have a look how they looks like. My wife, she's making paragas for to go with it. So yeah, have a look. They smells really good. I checked them first when I came in here. So yeah. So you guys can see. Nice color on them, and let's see the meat if it's cooked through a nice. You're falling apart from the bones, really beautifully cooked. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go take a quick shower, then we're gonna plate it up and taste it up, how it tastes like. Alright guys, I'm back now, and now it's time to check our dish like. So go have a look down here. As you can see, I showed you guys it's falling apart from the bone, really tender and juicy. All the, see, as you can see, nice gravy in here. See the gravy over here, really nice. So now it's time to plate it up. Alright, as you guys can see, I've got some papadum here, red onion and parathas. That's what my wife made today. And for the garnish, here I've got some fresh coriander and some freshly julienned ginger. That's what's gonna go on top here. Alright guys, now it's time to taste our dish. We got nice parathas in there. This meat is falling apart. Crunchy power. Tastes so good, beautiful. Sauce is really nice and silky, mild. It's not really spicy. Well, I hope you guys like the recipe, and I will see you again with another easy and quick recipe. Till then, take care and bye. And also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are not one of my subscribers. And yeah, take care, bye, peace.